Hi friends, let's open Ferrero Rocher the Golden Experience box. As you see, this box is of 300 grams in weight. Its MRP is around 1800 and expiry is approx 9 months from the date of packaging. Energy as 595 kilocalories per 100 grams. And talking about its ingredients, main ingredients are the milk chocolate, then wheat flour, then cocoa solids, and hazelnuts, and sugar, and so on, as you see on this box. And the packaging, as you see, it is very rich and interesting. It is one of the imported chocolates in India. It's a perfect gift. So let's open this. And in this chocolate, you will find the multiple layers, in the sense, uh, a whole crunchy hazelnut which is present in the heart of this chocolate, then a delicious creamy hazelnut filling, then a crisp wafer shell covered with chocolate and gently roasted pieces of hazelnuts on top. I will give 100 on 100 for this packaging. And this pack is of 24 pieces. As you see here, each and every Ferrero Rocher chocolate is packed in a golden foil paper. So with the help of this golden wrapper, Ferrero Rocher looks very unique and special and very rich. So let's open this. Oh, oh, as you see, the chocolate is having pieces of hazelnuts. I will just try to break this. Oh, again, it is having a low melting point. As you see, the outer cover is melted. So let's taste it. You can hear the crunchiness of this chocolate, and in the center, as I said, one hazelnut, roasted hazelnut is present, as you see here. Taste wise is also a very unique and different chocolate. Nice. So I'll try another one, or will give this to our pinky girl. So let's try another one again. As you see, each and every chocolate is having the same packaging. Yes, again, same. The outer covering is same. Taste it. Mm. As you see, the inner chocolate layer in this, it's really a different experience of chocolate. As in the center, you will get a hazelnut, then you have the creamy hazelnut filling of chocolate, then you have the crispy wafer shell covered, and at last the roasted pieces of hazelnuts on top. So I like this chocolate very much. Hope have you people tried this chocolate before? If not, then try it and just comment me in the comment box below whether you like this chocolate or not. Two things to notice over here, or I need to tell you all that somewhere on different websites I have seen that some bad reviews are also there for this chocolate. But whenever you are going to buy this chocolate, just keep in mind, just check for its packaging date. So don't go for very old packaging date, even if the expiry date is not yet. So whenever you are buying this chocolate, just see for its packaging date so that you can get a fresh experience of chocolate, fresh taste of chocolates. And once you have opened the box, just keep this box very cool and dry place so that it will not get by the atmosphere, because it is very delicate chocolate. You're buying more number of chocolates like this, so just keep the box in the proper place so that you experience the same taste all the time. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.